Hello everyone, welcome to Wildfire, and today we are going to be reacting to KonoSuba, an explosion of this wonderful world, season 1, episode 4. And in the last episode, we saw a guy had his fortune told, and however, his love did not appear on the orb itself. What's gonna happen next? Let's find out together. And if you guys are enjoying the anime reactions, like and subscribe for more content. Okay, Megami. Yun's giving her lunch to Megami. That's so sweet. That's so adorable. Yo. I'm not going to challenge you to gay, so I don't want you bugging me. You might it sound like I'm some bluffing who's always blah. I know I'm the one who always instigates the duels. Oh no. Okay. What are they gonna do? The plan is to gather enough villagers to redo the seal. The ritual from tomorrow evening until the morning after. Let's go over the results of your tests. As usual, the top 3 sorcerers will eat skill up potions. Cool. Nerimaki! Woohoo! Yay! 4 points, and I can learn the explosion magic I dreamed of. So true. Alright! Yes! What? Go! What has gotten into Yun? If I remember correctly, you needed 3 points to learn advanced magic. True. And I need 4. Is that fine by you? Okay. Look here. I'm trying not to compete. Not today. Being humble, highly encouraging. Yun is a friend. She's drinking the potion. Gulp, 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 gulp. What does it taste like? Is it grape juice? Like the Baptists use? Hey, I heard there's a hero candidate in the village. Oh, you met him yesterday. He was... Oh, he was handsome. Okay. Yep. One day, I'll be the kind of age that will join a party of a hero candidate. Hey, it's Doctor's Awkward Kazuma! Reference. Wait, she wants to be the new Demon King, Megumi. Wow, talk about a dream. She wasn't paying attention to her surroundings. Even the girls behind her are shocked. Oh, that's interesting. What are they gonna talk about? Girl talk! What do you think it means to be friends? It means to trust one another. It means to help each other in times of need. It means to be polite and kind to one another as well. Shopping and have fun, that too. You always try to sponge off me, right? True. Yeah, there are invisible boundaries. Yep. Good Yun. She would never do such a bad thing. Funifura's cute little brother is sick. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, raise the money. I see. So they just need to raise some money for medicine. What do you think, Megami? Given that I've never had money and fundamental principle. But well, if a friend was trying in grave need, I don't think it's out of the question to loan them money. Granted, I am perpetual grave need myself. Try to subtly get that across, huh? Mm-hmm. Ah. It's fine. Yo. Hey, Megumi, Union. Is it Bokokui, who's still soaking over being rejected by Soketo? What? Yeah. Yeah, you didn't get rejected. Aw, cute kitty cat. Meow. Kameko, I'm heading out. Have a good day. Kabeko's adorable. What a good sister. She's watching the house. She's following Megumi, isn't she? I called it. This is a really bad idea. Yeah. Class is starting. Go on ahead, Yun. Megumi, how long has she been there? Starting when you extorted her to submit your... Bruh. My brother is sick and we can't afford the medicine. Is that the truth or is that a lie? Why not ask for my help? Oh! Megumi is putting the puzzles pieces together! Oh, that is a point. Obviously I don't. Who in the world do you think you're talking to? This girl. Is this a... I got a bad feeling about that. It's purple and it looks like poison. I won't let you. The dachshund is so cute. No, it's a cute ducky! I know, but... Come on now. All we need is the onion on its back. Yep. Yep. True. Duxings are weird monsters that offer a lot of experience. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Megumi found out. Megumi! That's highly discouraging. But I guess she really wants the experience. Call me that again, I'll just say how much. Yeah. Okay. A handmade potion of treating illnesses. Go on, take it. What? Why does she care about her fellow countrymen? Oh, I guess that's also... Her intelligence is always second to my own. True, true, true. She is a little scary. Yo, those evil eyes. Wow, you must really like Union. Union's awesome. It's not like Union and I are friends. Hi, whatever. That's a good point. I'm not sure how to describe it. Lively. They're rivals. What do you think? Look, we'll leave it at that for today, but don't get too big-headed, you hear. Ah. Come on, that's the classic conversation editor. Get a clue. Konegi. Quack, quack. I love ducks. It's Ink, the cat. I love Ink. Ink is cool. You left Inky all alone. Where did you go? Where did they go? The money. In what world would a pragmatist like myself engage in some philanthropy? That is true. She got the money back for Yun Yun. Highly encouraging. They just wanted to be her friend for the money. That is depressing. That is actually sad. Like, come on. I am called Torosuke for those pancakes. Pancakes! Now that's quite an appetite. Hey, it has pokey sticks on it and everything. Blah. How much was the bill? How much was the tab? Can we take a break? All you did was sit there and eat. You don't need a break. True. The look said from the morning. Oh. I wanted us to graduate together. Oh. How could you be so S-word? If you wanted to graduate together, you should have just learned magic to use up extra skill points. True. Okay. Whoa, Maggie Bean. That is insane. You're always so smug about being better than me. And so if I would have passed you suddenly, you've done no such thing at all. I have long since earned enough points to learn advanced magic. What? And why is that? Because her dream is to use explosion magic. Powerful sunfire magic. Are you talking about explosion magic? Yep. Yeah. Well, she does have that power. It's crazy people that change the world. It is the people who are out of the ordinary that could truly make a difference. Yep. That's right. Because she doesn't give up. Because it's her passion and dream. Obviously. She's not crazy. Ink. I won. I beat Buggy Bee for the first time. I wasn't being serious after all. That's a cope. You're not a little diva. Just admit you lost for once. True. Fine, I lose. Now let me up. Come on, are you really that obsessed with explosion magic? Yes, she is. She loves explosion magic. It's her dream. It's the first magic she experienced. Oh. Explosion! Fire! Yo! The overwhelming flames of V-word. Whoa. Benefiting of being known as the ultimate magic. Ever since that moment, I had no interest in other magic. True. Once I learned it, I intend to seek that mage and ask her how to learn it. What do you think of explosion magic? You taught me. That being said, I'm sure you're glad that you had to have won once before. Yep. She'll find someone. Once I have in common, I obviously do so self-help. Why? She's leaving right away. Yep. What about you, Yun? I'm gonna be chief one day, so... Kitty! It's a ducky. Oh, that's so sweet. She wants to be strong enough to help out the helpless. Megumi found an ice dinner. Megumi, no! That's highly discouraging for Megumi. What is that? They're gargoyles? Uh-oh. Oh my. Come with me, please. Uh-oh. The house. Someone broke into the house. That is so scary. Someone broke inside of their house and Megumi's worried about her sister. Although her sister wasn't even at the house anymore. But I hope she's okay. And that is going to do it for me today. Thank you guys for watching this anime reaction video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 21,000 subs before my birthday. Support towards this goal is much appreciated. I also upload daily. And until the next one, have the great rest of your day.